both your skin and your hair. In fact, people have been moisturizing their hair with coconut milk for generations, and for good reason, as coconut milk is wonderful for keeping hair soft and shiny. Today's video will discuss 3 coconut milk musts for the hair. Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. Here are 3 coconut milk masks for the hair. Number 1. Simple coconut milk hair mask. Coconut oils and milks are great for both your skin and your hair. This recipe is a favorite and leaves hair silky and smelling fabulous. Ingredients: 1 can of unsweetened coconut milk, a few drops of essential oil if you like. How to use: pour a can or bottle of unsweetened coconut milk in a bowl and refrigerate overnight so it hardens. Sections hair into 3 to 5 sections and apply milk from roots to end of your hair. Cover head with a shower cap and leave the mask on for about 20 minutes. Rinse hairs in the shower and comb out. Number 2. Coconut milk and avocado hair mask. Avocado is a wonderful moisturizer, especially for dry, frizzy hair. This recipe is for shoulder length hair. Add more if you have long hair. Ingredients: 3 tablespoons unsweetened coconut milk, half avocado, 1 tablespoon honey. How to use: wet your hair thoroughly, then comb the mask through from roots to end. Cover with plastic and a towel or a shower cap if you have one, and let the mask sit for 10 to 30 minutes before rinsing thoroughly. I have found that even 5 minutes help with this mask, so if you are in a hurry, you can rinse after a few minutes and you won't have to leave the shower. Number 3. Infused olive oil and coconut milk hair mask. You have heard of hot oil treatment, and you can make your own with an infusion of rosemary and olive oil. The coconut milk is added for extra moisturizing benefits. Don't have time to make an infusion? No worries, just skip that part. Olive oil and coconut milk are wonderful together even without the herb. Olive oil infusion will last for 6 months. Ingredients: 1 cup olive oil, 3 tablespoons dry rosemary leaves, half cup of unsweetened coconut milk. To make the infused olive oil, combine the oil and rosemary leaves in an airtight ball jar for 4 to 8 weeks. If you don't have time for this, make the infused oil by gently heating the rosemary in the oil for 2 to 4 hours in a water bath or double boiler. Once you have your infused olive oil, you will make your hair mask by combining half cup of the infused olive oil and half cup of coconut milk. How to use: apply to hair, cover with a shower cap and let it sit for 30 minutes. Rinse thoroughly. You may feel you need to shampoo your hair after a hot oil treatment, which is fine. Are you going to try this? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.